Yo guys, I hope you're doing well. This is DigiNotes with another tutorial making your life a bit easier. In this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to create a website for less than $5 in under 5 minutes with zero coding required. You heard me, it is that easy. This is not a joke. So to show you how easy it is, I'm actually using an iPad. Right, the first thing you want to do is you want to go to Chrome. If you're on a computer, use Chrome or Internet Explorer, etc. etc. You want to Google this website called Namecheap. Namecheap is basically a website which sells domains. For illustration purposes, I'm going to call my domain the coffee shop. Now, if you've got a big pocket and you want to spend a lot of cash on a website, or if you want to spend a lot of cash on your domain, go ahead, choose any domain you like. I'm going to be choosing the coffeeshop.xyz, which will cost me $1. Yes, you heard me, $1 for a really cool domain. You want to go to checkout. Now this is the key. If you know how to code, you probably would just check out now. But I'm guessing you don't know how to code. You want to go here to improve your site. You just want to swipe down. You want to choose this option called web hosting. You just want to add this to your cart. Before I explain what web hosting does, I want to deal with the price. Currently, our subtotal is $18. However, I said this would cost less than $5. I meant that. Change your web hosting package, which is called Stellar, to 1 month. That means your subtotal comes to $4 with a monthly cost of $2.8, which is extremely cheap for what we are about to get. Now, we're going to go to my panel. I just want to show you what I have. So I have two websites called DigiNotes and DigiPam. Basically, what this web hosting does is gives you this thing called the cPanel. You want to go to the cPanel. We just let it load a bit. But while it's loading, let me explain what the cPanel is. It is the central hub of your website. It allows you to explore and create a website. Now, a few important things. You can create add-on domains. 3. So, for example, you saw my website is called DigiPam. I added a domain called DigiNotes. You are allowed email accounts, 30 email accounts. You have 20 gigs of memory, which is a lot, and several other features. I encourage you guys to explore this, get used to it. But let's just go right to the bottom here. Click WordPress. Now WordPress is really what you want. This allows you to create a website nice and easy. No extra cost. It is included in that $2.8 fee. You want to install it. Once you go to WordPress, you'll get a website like this. It'll start you out. This is my homepage, for example. It's really simple to edit. You just type a little bit, right? And you literally just click update or you click post, and it creates pages for you. It is that simple. If you want to dive into more complex things of WordPress and Namecheap, I encourage you guys to Google them. There are lots and lots of articles on it and suggestions for you guys to use. Just want to point out a few things. Appearance will change things such as themes, menus, backgrounds. I encourage you guys to use those features. Plugins is the most important thing in WordPress by far. Basically, you can add stuff that regular people wouldn't be able to add. For example, a Are You Human checker, things like that. It really helps you. Contact forms, for example. Plugins is what makes a WordPress site tick. You want a good WordPress site, you want to have good plugins. The last thing I just want to show you guys is this. On Namecheap, you have chat with a live person. It's an option that allows you to speak to real people about any problems you are having. You use it. It'll help you so much, because one day your website will be down and you're going to have to put it back up. These guys will help you. That's how you create a website for less than $5 in 5 minutes. Thanks guys for watching. Please like, subscribe and share. Cheers.